Yeah. And the next version, this the pot, you know? Chef Rooster still at it. So right now, Chef Rooster kind of mats up the a night, you know, New Year's Eve night. So we're just taking the quality of the pick here, you know? You're a Chef Rooster, more you give me a cup of soup there because
alright, no problem, right now.
Right now the soup, they run and I don't even taste the soup yet. I want to see how the soup turn, you know? Yeah. So give me some soup there, make me. Yeah, Chef Rooster. Alright, I see the soup look then I put there. I sound light over there, man. I can't see it good, man. Turn on the light for you something, let me see there. Shine light in the pot, man. Yeah. Because right now I can't see nothing good enough. Yes, Chef Rooster. So earlier on you did see the soup how it look when it just start. Now this is the finish of the soup, you know. I don't want no chicken foot in my soup, and I want chicken soup. Mini soup. I don't want no yam because I don't like yam. So give me some soup and pork no night.
No, we ain't put the pork in it.
Alright, so chicken. Give me chicken and soup. See?
Yeah, chicken.
Yeah. Alright, put it down right there.
Nice cup.
I'm about to do my tasting right now. Put it on the table there.
Say it, a good look.
A good look, man.
Good look.
Alright, let me test it. Shine the light around, make the people them can see where you're going with it.
For real. Say soup.
Alright.
You say soup.
So right now, shine light, I can't see my soup and I drink them. I taste the soup and tell the people how the soup turn because I want to know if the soup turn good enough.
For real?
Yeah, man, I'm the tester, you know. Yeah, man.
Blended. Oh.
The soup me I taste, you know. This soup fucking good, man. I love it. Oh. Man, people don't need to try a soup here. A Chef Rooster, you know. And bad boy trying to run this a soup here. And I tell you, man, this soup have everything in it. Chicken foot, chicken, conch, cow skin, sea cat, lobster, everything, you name it. The soup is full of it. A flavor, we say, you know?
Open up that rooster.
Alright.
Oh, you take care of it.
So right now, I'll be a niceness. Chef Rooster busy in the kitchen, you know, man. Oh, Chef Rooster, right now, Chef Rooster, they beat the, give me some light on that, Johnny. Chef Rooster, they beat the curry chicken, you know.
No, that's the pork.
That's the
Oh,
pork.
this is the pork.
That's the brown
Oh, the
stew
pork.
pork.
Alright, no look, man, give me light on it so I can see the pork look there. Give me light there. Oh, yeah. No look at the pork. So this is pork, yeah, are the best pork we have on the island. Anyway, on the road, I want to taste a pork and tell me it's there.
Broad bean are going to know.
Right now we are dropping some Grace broad bean. Big up Grace every time. Because you don't know Grace feed Jamaica. All over the world, man. You say Grace have some nice products. So Grace to the world, we say.
Yes.
Nice big broad bean. So Grace, big up your damn self. Alright. So Chef Rooster, the mats up. Show them the Grace. Show them the Grace.
No, man, see it, man, the Grace.
See, yeah, man. A brand Grace. This I know. When I say Grace, I don't mean sexy Grace. We out there on the road. I mean Grace. Brand Grace me I talk about. Alright.
That's it.
Alright.
Go buy no Kim Pepper though.
You want some light on him? I'm going to swing up. I'm going to turn on this light here.
Which one?
Put this in there and turn on the light.
That the light.
Like how the soldier always do it. When you
plug
it in a break and everyone I like them turn on.
The springer gun knock out by the end.
You gone?
In them man.
Alright. Take it back round to the jerk. We are take you back round now to the jerk center. Alright, Rooster. Fly up the jerk and then shine some light. Let me see the jerk look now.
Alright, see the jerk pan. This is the jerk pan. See it?
Alright, just see it.
Yeah, this style.
So the jerk, you know.
You know the jerk I go on and so.
Yes, man. Original jerky.
Original jerk pan I go on.
You know what the partner, man?
Spin over the something, man.
All the partner, man.
I'm so want chicken feet and spin them over, man. Flip them over. Flip the chicken, them look damn good, though. Oh, yeah. A niceness, this one. Chef Rooster. A damn face, but
They're
big you still because you know your thing, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. busy from morning, you know.
For real.
On your feet, you're there on your foot all day. But that's why you go buy your sweater for bro, you eat bread, you know.
For real, chap, man.
If you don't put out, you can't get. So, run it, Chef Rooster. Right, you know that good jerk pan you hot.
Yeah, man, chap, man.
It's a 7. See them? People want to look for my chicken them. Cheese and peas. This is just a first cut straight, you know.
One up in that car. Flip him over.
That one there. So flick him over there, flick him.
You want to look a bit for
Alright, go ahead.
Yeah,
What is it?
Hold it and flick it.
Same man, put him.
Hold it and flick it, no man.
Go the breast steak.
Alright, so
For real.
that's how we set with New Year's, you know. We have to make a New Year come catch with a good vibes, you know.
Good vibes, yeah, man.
A quarantine time, I know, the whole year we lock down. Can't get to do nothing on the road, so we get the liquor chance, you know, so we have to just make use of it, you know.
You side same way.
Yeah, man.
For real.
Straight. Big up the Ghanaians people in the house.
For real.
Up there, up there, up there. All the Jamaican.
For real, yeah.
Big up the whole world. The whole world we are big up, you know.
For real, man.
New York. Favorite place. Germany.
For real.
France. You know what, just take anything here.
Yes, sir. Nice, the chicken and guan.
Just take anything here, man. You see it, look.
The chicken and guan, that's all.
Right, back to the next pot again, you know.
It's alright.
Flip up the rice and me see it look there. You can't make too much fire stay on the rice, you know.
Too much fire. Too much
Yeah, man, because alright, flip up the rice and me see me there.
fire. See, man.
Alright, see the rice I take time to come here now, you know. Yeah, man, the rice I come. Boy, not look bad at all.
The rice.
Alright, touch over the pork, you know.
Alright.
Touch over brother Arnold. Let me see how brother Arnold look.
See it out.
Alright.
See it out. Good luck.
Boy, look how Grace a bubble on top there, man. Boy, Grace a sexy no rasp on top of the pork there, though.
Yes, man.
Boy, Grace
Yes,
bubble up
man.
there on the pork. Real
Yes, man.
chat.
Real talk, man.
A road, we say. Rice a roll, you know.
Right, go on. Simmer down. Go on, simmer.
Young boy, what you say you want, you know?
Let's say what?
You want soup?
Alright.
Come on, here, so young boy. Alright, take a cup. Come, take a cup.
Come, hold it up.
Hold the cup.
Hold it
Alright, make Chef Rooster. Pour soup in the cup, give me Chef Rooster. Don't blind the man, you know.
Hold it like. Hold it like. Cover the cup.
Alright, give me one spoon, make him taste it first and make him tell me how it turn. Make me want you taste the soup and tell me how it stay
Out
first.
that spoon. Out that spoon.
Yeah, just give me a little touch there. Little bit, man, little bit. Just alright, make him taste that first and tell me how it turn. Yeah, cool it and taste it and tell me how it turn.
How it is?
Taste it and make me know how it really stay. What?
How it is?
That's nice.
It tastes nice. No,
Alright.
talk up loud, man. What you say it though?
That's nice.
That soup
Alright.
with on top, it a shot, don't? Eh?
Yeah, man. Super.
Alright, sir. So here we know. Big up your damn self with the soup, see?
For real, man.
Alright.
Alright, sir.
Yeah. Rooster, run back round for the pork and chicken. You have to watch. Remember, say, are you wanna run the fire them? You need one chef, the next chef, you want can't enter so much things in a dog. You alone can't run so much things, trust me. Alright, run the blood to you sit naturally burn up that. Alright.
Alright, so I go on.
Flip them around, flip them over, flip them over.
Flip them over, man. Flip them over. Yeah, man. Flip them over.
You don't even show them over there, make it.
I jerk, you see what I use?
Run it.
Oh, the bread, man. Bread, man, but I have to do some brown stew pork and some white rice still, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, Chef Rooster. Big up your damn self in the kitchen there. Yeah. Yeah. Up.
Even that's no here.
No, man, just help him because you see, you have to monitor around us and around us, so we don't want none for.
Oh, round us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm very back and
I'll
forth.
go along with you now, sir.
Alright, come around us here now.
Alright.
Make Chef Tune stay around us.
Go on, round,
So. Chef number one, so we are got
I'm
chef.
going to check on the rice.
And chef number one, so we are got chef upstairs. You know, we not deal with two. We rather say deuce, you know. Alright. Hey, we not take the soup. Them we not beat the soup. Them out of there.
No, how am I smoking?
How would that? Yo. Road boy, what go on? Where you come for you now? Tell me. Let me see what Mask Carter they say you know. Big up yourself, the Mask Carter. You must have to show him them you're sitting here in.
Hello.
Live.
Yeah, that talk. Where you want?
Where you want?
You want soup?
Look here.
Tell mommy to come. What? Tell mommy. What?
Right, come round and say you know.
Alright, so I got. You can show I'm going to let.
Alright. Come, watch your rice, I know. Watch your rice, I know.
What's that so
Come.
Want to let.
Alright. Where you say you now, Carter?
I want some soup.
You need some soup?
Alright, hold on, let.
Okay, buddy, you gotta get some soup. But first, you have to tell me my name. What's my name? You cannot drink soup without you know the chef name. So if you don't know the chef name, there is no soup for you, okay?
Alright.
So what's the name of the chef?
Carter.
No, you're a Carter. And the chef is? I want you to say the chef name. Come. After two. 1, 2, 3. What's the chef name? Yo. Talk up. What's the chef name?
Sure.
Chef name Chef Rooster.
Rooster.
Yeah, Chef Rooster. So says Chef Rooster needs some soup.
See, man.
Come. Yo, come say Chef Rooster me need some soup. Hey, how comes the brother and remember me? I live with the pan now, you know. Soup. Alright, I tell my name one more time, and if you forget it, the next time you see me slap you in your face. Come here. Yo, Carter, look for me around here, so. What my name? My name Ian. Yes, come. Come, Carter. What my name, Carter?
Jerry.
You love Jerry. Yeah. Alright, Stan. I take out all the fire from taking out wood fire this I know. A steam I use and yo take out all of the wood fire and take out all of the fire from out of the pot. The rice pot. And just make it stay there and simmer. If you don't know where I do this
Let's poke in that.
Alright. Come back the soup pot and give me a next pot. Next. The soup body you fuck me, I have to go back again. I have to go back again, trust me. Load up my plate there. Load up my cup. Soup me want. Run the soup, man. Don't burn up me and you know dog.
Nah, I'm burn you up, man.
Alright.
Nah, I'm burn you up.
The chicken. Look how chicken when looking at the pot earlier and I know it mashed right out. Alright. Oi. Ah. There man.
You don't dig no hole here and where you do you?
Aaron, you taste the soup yet, Aaron?
Here and fish.
You not get none. Take a cup and come in and tell me the soup stay. More if Chef Rooster can really cook. Because Chef Rooster they go on like him a big chef, you know, so I want to really know. Yeah. Are you live this way, you know? Oh, yeah. Alright, Rooster. Go on to the soup corner, you know. Give Aaron a cup of soup there. Yeah. Alright. Give me light no man, we want to see what we are doing, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, give me phone, me shine the light there. Yeah. You want light round there, sir? Soup. Oh yeah. Soup, mother road, you know. Here and I in a crap, you know. So I can't believe say in a crap, you know. Taste here and tell me what it is. Just taste the soup and tell me what it is there. How it is? I don't want you to shake your head, I want you to tell me how the soup is. I want you to say, yeah, the soup up there.
Yeah, man, the soup up there.
Alright, sir. That me want you to shake head, I don't know what they're going, you know.
I chef Rooster there, one.
Alright.
Good morning.
Yes, man, you know that anything we put we on to a goal, you know. Right, you know. Rubber dub.
Great.
Alright, more sample the jerky, you know. Yeah. Live, you know. Me taste the pork there. The pork the bubble so long and it must stop wine, you know, man. Come. A full time. Me taste one little piece. You can't drop it in my hand, but you want to burn me up, dog.
Hold on, I get it.
Oh man, just carry come and drop it on a piece of the file paper, man. How do you go on like I say a house with yo? I road thing with the pan, you know, dog. Yeah.
Ah, no, that's
enough.
enough.
Now me a sample, you know? Yeah, man.
For real.
Yo, you hug really.
So I go on for it now.
Wow, I'm about part everything you put your hand to a goal, dog.
For real, man.
The poor can even touch the street.
For real.
Right now, all the pot bottom we have to report when this is done.
For real, man. A chef Rooster, man.
Turn up.
Yeah, man. A chef Rooster there, man. Chef Rooster.
Turn up. Man link. Real shot.
Alright, what?
Yeah, man. So I enjoy the group side pork too, you know.
That couldn't jerk.
I mean everything jerk, man. All turkey, all chicken neck the man and jerk. You never got on where you must them. Let me see a piece. Is that ready? Oh, yeah. Alright. So actually, one piece of Alright, yeah.
See it, yeah.
Watch here now.
See it, yeah.
Watch here now.
Alright.
This is how the fall look. From start to finish a long
Start
time
to
around
finish.
the thing. So let me bite it and I want to look. Oh, it's here.
Say, oh, it's there now. Oh, it's there.
Man.
Alright, tell the people, man, it's there. Tell the people, because they want to know, you know.
I mean if they want to know. You see a
People, they
chicken
want to know.
You see
Oh,
a
it's
chicken
there.
here? Look on it. You see a chicken here? Me I tell you.
Yeah, man, the
Not-
people, they want to know. Oh,
That
it
is
is.
best road. It no dry out. It just juicy.
Real.
Tantalizing. Oh. Hot.
They know everything stay. Make they know everything stay out here.
Yeah, man.
Down a yard with them. Yeah, man, down a yard with them, man.
You sit there now.
Hold on.
I'm going to catch up with it. No stop. Whenever look, whenever we go, I'll go fit no.
Yo, me give you props when you come on to fall, you know?
Yes,
And the real
man.
fall,
See it here.
And the chef that.
Alright, see it
The
here.
chicken man that.
Yeah, chicken man
We
there.
have soupy
Soupy,
and jerky.
jerky. Yo! Me hear you, man. Me hear you. You now go burn up. Alright.
Welcome.
We are far down, man. So we just sit here, so see you here. Alright.
Alright, do me thing I know.
Alright, see it now. 1 o'clock on the
Man.
sea now.
Yeah, round so me I
You
go.
want what you like?
Me can't eat my chicken first there.
Must you something right then. I'm there, see you, man.
Oh,
I'm
alright.
there. I'm a family there. What you want? We have Isaac here and there.
We'll go around this house here look, you know? You know, can a little bit of ice. I can sit down with some more ice.
At the time,
Run this way, run this
that's
way,
why.
run this way. Party vibes, cold beer, me want to drink, you know. Try the beer, man.
Come with you buy a bag, man.
Me don't know, boy, take a whole of my cheese a while ago. Alright. I'm going to touch the road and come back so you can look sitting, you know?
No, you fall over.
Cool.
Yeah, man, I jerk them there.
Yeah. Darren, why pray? Oh, you not heal me up, Darren? What kind of vibes that then? You want what? You want one more soup? Come on and soup on. Come on and soup on. Come on and soup on. Run the soup there. So I said jerk chicken and breadfruit. Flick it, what the breadfruit now, flick it.
Yeah, man, I just finish my while ago, man.
But you're dead.
How much up?
Carter, no easy, you know. That's what you mean. You love your soup, Carter? You love your soup, Darren? Alright.
Wally Carter, Wally. Wally cup Carter, Wally cup.
Alright. Breadfruit don't look like you want done, brother.
Let me just flip him on, flip him.
No, man, the fire underneath, you know.
Just flip him, you know.
Yeah, flick it over some more.
I'm on, I just Wally man, flip him, man.
No, use something
I'm
more.
on, flip him, man.
And then breadfruit look at them easy for roast, you know, you can't make it burn up, you know.
I'm right here.
Real chat. Cat, what happened to me?
Man, hold on.
I drunk me drunk already.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, boss.
Well, my grounds one.
Yeah, man, hold on, man.
Look like a little one beer kick me over already. Eh,
Yeah, man, I saw you go, man. Yeah, this time, man.
up and run, you know?
Yeah, man, yeah, this.
For real.
Eh? What's that?
For real.
Take your arm.
See bar them man, just take what you want. Help yourself, eh? See beer in this one. I watch what that one is supposed to call. That one is supposed to call, you know. Yeah, that's the cola one, you know. Alright. Yeah, Chris a bounce tune selector, Chris.
My neighborhood.
Yeah, somebody on your phone, Rooster.